Dr. Mitchell. Hello and welcome to the Dr. Mitchell channel. For many men, hitting 60 can feel like a turning point. You might notice mornings are tougher, your strength isn't what it used to be, and your overall drive seems to be fading. Most men blame it on just getting older. But what if that's not the whole story? Often the real cause is a quiet decline in testosterone. This is the master hormone for male vitality. It powers your energy, your focus, your confidence, and your independence. Here's something that might surprise you. Your testosterone levels can shift daily based on one simple thing: the fruit you eat. Some fruits can cause your hormone levels to plummet by nearly 40% in just a few weeks, but others can help your body restore them naturally, sometimes in as little as 10 days. And here's the real kicker. That popular healthy drink many men start their day with could actually be one of the worst offenders for killing testosterone. Before we dive in, I'd love to know how old you are and where you're watching from. Drop a comment below. I personally read and respond to every single one. Today, we're going to expose 4 fruits that can secretly lower your testosterone. Then, we'll reveal 4 that can help boost it. All of this is backed by solid research from institutions like Harvard and the NIH. If you've been feeling tired, unfocused, or just not yourself, stick with me. The information in this video could help you feel dramatically different in just a matter of days. Number 4. Grapes in juice form. We all know grapes are good for heart health. But for men over 50, there's a downside, especially when they're in a glass. A single glass of grape juice can be a sugar bomb, packing over 36 grams of sugar. That's a huge dose all at once. This sugar rush causes a massive spike in insulin. When insulin rises that quickly, it signals your body to release an enzyme called aromatase. Think of aromatase as a saboteur. It takes your valuable testosterone and converts it into estrogen. That's the exact opposite of what you need to feel strong, sharp, and energetic. Here's how to enjoy grapes the right way. First, ditch the bottled juice. Even the all-natural kinds are loaded with concentrated sugar. Second, eat the whole fruit instead. The skin is where many of the best antioxidants are found. Third, keep your portion size to a small handful just once a day. Fourth, pair grapes with a protein or healthy fat like a few almonds. This helps slow the sugar release. Fifth, drink a glass of water afterward to help your body manage the sugar. A Harvard study showed that men drinking grape juice daily saw their free testosterone drop by over 20% in 2 weeks. It's time to replace the juice with the whole fruit. Most men who make this switch report more stable energy levels within just 10 days. Number 3. Soy often gets a health halo. It's a plant-based protein, it's low in fat, and it's considered heart-friendly. But for men, it can be a hormonal minefield. The issue comes from compounds in soy called isoflavones. These act like estrogen imposters in your body. They can attach to your testosterone receptors, which blocks your own natural testosterone from working properly. The result? You might feel lower energy, reduced strength, and a decline in your motivation. Here's the smart way to approach soy. First, always read your labels. Soy is often hidden in protein bars, shakes, and veggie burgers. Second, if you eat soy, choose fermented versions like tempeh or miso. The fermentation process can reduce the impact of the isoflavones. Third, limit your intake to no more than 2 servings per week. Fourth, balance it out by eating zinc-rich foods, like eggs or lean beef, which support hormone production. Fifth, pay attention to how you feel. Track your focus and energy after 2 weeks of reducing soy. Research from the NIH found that men on high soy diets had testosterone levels nearly 20% lower after just 1 month. A simple swap, like changing from soy milk to almond or oat milk, can make a noticeable difference in your mental clarity and mood. Number 2. Dried fruit raisins, dates, apricots. They seem like a harmless, healthy snack, but drying fruit removes all the water, which leaves behind a highly concentrated dose of sugar. Just a few dates can have as much sugar as a can of soda. For men over 50, that intense sugar rush can trigger inflammation and damage the Leydig cells in your testes. Those are the very factories that produce your testosterone. Over time, this process can seriously weaken your body's ability to make this vital hormone, leaving you feeling tired and less driven. Let's fix this with a few simple steps. First, whenever you can, choose fresh fruit over dried fruit. Second, if you do eat dried fruit, keep the portion to a small handful. Third, always pair it with a protein source like nuts or seeds to slow down the sugar absorption. Fourth, drink water after eating sweet snacks to help stabilize your blood sugar. Fifth, try to limit dried fruits and desserts to just a couple of times a week. Have you ever felt that afternoon slump after a sugary snack? Let me know with a 1 in the comments. If not, type a 0. I love hearing from you here on the Dr. Mitchell channel. Number 1. Bananas, when eaten alone. What could possibly be wrong with a banana? It's nature's perfect portable snack, packed with potassium. Yet for men over 50, a banana can disturb your hormonal balance, but only when it's eaten the wrong way. A large banana contains around 30 grams of sugar. Eaten by itself, it hits your system fast, causing that familiar insulin spike we've talked about. And as we now know, when insulin goes up, testosterone tends to go down. Here's how to enjoy bananas without the downside. First, choose bananas that are still a little green. They have more resistant starch and less sugar. Second, never eat a banana on its own. Pair it with healthy fats or protein, like peanut butter or Greek yogurt. Third, stick to 1 small banana per day. Fourth, a great time to eat one is after a workout to help with muscle recovery. Fifth, as always, drink water afterward to aid your metabolism. When eaten incorrectly, bananas can quietly drain the hormone that fuels your strength. But when you eat them smart, they can be a great source of energy. All right, we've covered the fruits to be cautious with. Now for the good news. Let's talk about the fruits that can help you rebuild your testosterone, starting with Number 4. Citrus fruits. It's a simple fact. When your stress goes up, your testosterone goes down. This is because the stress hormone, cortisol, actively blocks testosterone production. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that is proven to help lower cortisol levels. This allows your testosterone to recover and thrive. A single medium orange can give you your entire daily requirement of vitamin C, helping to keep your mind sharp and your energy levels stable. Here's a simple routine. First, eat 1 fresh orange or half a grapefruit each morning. Second, avoid bottled citrus juices, which are high in sugar and lack fiber. Third, add lemon slices to your water throughout the day. It's great for hydration. Fourth, pair citrus with protein like eggs for a balanced, energizing breakfast. Fifth, use the zest from lemons or oranges in your cooking for extra benefits. If you already eat citrus every day, type a 1 in the comments. If not, hit 0 and tell me which fruit you plan to start with. Number 3. Berries small but mighty. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that protect testosterone right at the source. For men over 50, one of the biggest threats to your hormones is low-grade chronic inflammation. This is where berries come to the rescue. Their vibrant colors come from compounds that fight oxidative stress. They act like bodyguards for your Leydig cells, shielding them from the damage caused by sugar and stress. When these cells are healthy, your testosterone levels stay more consistent. Here's how to make berries work for you. First, aim for a handful of mixed berries 3 to 4 times a week. Second, the deeper the color, the more antioxidants they have. So go for dark, rich berries. Third, add them to oatmeal or yogurt instead of sugar. Fourth, don't be afraid of frozen berries. They keep almost all of their nutrients. Fifth, make sure to rinse them well before eating. A Harvard study found that men who ate berries regularly had free testosterone levels 17% higher than men who did not. Number 2. Pomegranate. For centuries, pomegranates have been a symbol of vitality. Modern science now shows us why. This amazing fruit is proven to improve blood flow, reduce stress hormones, and support natural testosterone production. The magic comes from its unique polyphenols. These compounds boost nitric oxide in your body, which helps widen blood vessels. Better blood flow means more oxygen gets to your muscles and brain, helping you feel more powerful and focused. Here's how to add it to your routine. First, look for pure pomegranate juice with no added sugar. Second, a small half glass 3 times a week is a great start. Third, eat the actual seeds when you can. They're packed with extra fiber and antioxidants. Fourth, mix the juice with sparkling water for a refreshing drink. Fifth, store it in a glass container to keep it fresh. One study found that men who drank pomegranate juice regularly saw a 30% increase in testosterone and reported better moods in just 10 days. Number 1. Avocado. And finally, the cornerstone of hormone health. The avocado. Avocado is unique. It's creamy, delicious, and filled with the healthy fats your body needs as the raw building blocks for making testosterone. Its powerful mix of monounsaturated fats, magnesium, and B vitamins supports everything from hormone production to brain health. And unlike sugary fruits, avocados keep your insulin levels low and stable. This stability is crucial, as it allows your body to produce the hormones that signal for more testosterone. Here's how to make avocado a daily habit. First, eat about 1/4 to 1/2 of an avocado each day. Second, add slices to your eggs, salads, or sandwiches. Third, use it as a healthy replacement for butter or mayonnaise. Fourth, blend it into smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-dense boost. Fifth, choose ripe avocados that are slightly soft to the touch. If you already love avocados, press 1 in the comments. If not, press 0 and share your favorite healthy breakfast idea. So there you have it. 8 powerful fruits. 4 to be mindful of and 4 to embrace. What you put on your plate is a powerful choice. It can either work against your vitality or build it up. After 50, your health journey is made of small, consistent habits. Think of food as your partner in health, not your opponent. Each meal is a chance to give your body what it needs to stay strong, focused, and full of life. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Stay curious, stay healthy, and be sure to subscribe to Dr. Mitchell for more science-based tips to help you live your best life. Thanks for watching.